I think, you said a midlife crisis, and what jumped into my mind was midlife opportunity.
Yeah.
And I think the MEA in your work, you help show people it's an opportunity. But in order to kind of transform your life on autopilot to the life you want to have, it takes some work, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah. I mean, if you live sort of in the normal default kind of way, the ageist societal point of view, Hallmark cards point of view, will wear off on you. I mean, meaning you will actually feel like, oh, my best years are behind me, or I'm too old to fill in the blank. When I first moved to Mexico part time, I was 56 years old. So this is about 8 years ago, and I had a mindset which was, I'm too old to learn Spanish. I'm too old to learn to surf. But the shift that I made in my own thinking was, I asked the question, 10 years from now, what will you regret if you don't learn it or do it now? Because I anticipated regret of something you might regret, like me at 66 regretting I didn't learn Spanish and I'm still living in Mexico. I didn't learn how to surf and I'm still living in Mexico next to a surf break. If I'm doing that, then by thinking about what I'm going to regret, anticipated regret is a form of wisdom. And so it's my way of actually having a catalyst to say, I need to take action. And so for me, I started learning Spanish. Mi español es muy malo, pero estoy mejorando un poco. But I've gotten a little bit better in surfing. I've gotten a little bit better. Our friend Jim Flaherty at 87, he was in our workshop. The average age of the person who comes to an MEA workshop's about 54. So Jim was way older, but he went surfing down in Baja.
Yeah, I saw it.
When we were there. So long story short is, a lot of this is breaking out of the default way of thinking about aging, and really moving from chasing to embracing. And the chasing is what we've done often in our 20s, 30s, 40s, and maybe 50s, chasing on that treadmill of success. And learning after age 50 that maybe it's time to start embracing some things and having some gratitude and appreciation around it.
All right, if you're looking for your next actionable step to stop wishing and start doing, go ahead and click the video on your screen right now. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you can keep getting the practical advice you need to live longer and better. It'd be a huge favor to me. And we'll see you in the next episode. I guarantee you'll like it even better than the one you just saw.